Then we need to find yp, and we know the formula of yp is 1 upon fd. Calculated it as d cube minus 2d minus 4 into x is x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. In type 3, we used to write our fd in terms of 1 plus or minus some function of d the whole raised to n. So we need 1 plus something. We need to make this part. Let's consider only this part. We have to write this part in terms of 1 plus something. So how can we get that? If I take minus 4 from this common, so I will get minus 4. So d cube will be divided by minus 4, because we are taking minus 4 common, and minus 2d will also be divided by minus 4 since we are taking minus 4 common, and here we are remain only with plus 1. Okay, this minus and minus will become plus, and 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So our equation now becomes 1 plus d by 2, and this minus will be taken in the numerator, minus d cube upon 4. So if you observe this equation we have written in the form 1 plus some function of d. Again we are going to write here, so we will get minus 4 1 plus d by 2 minus d cube by 4, and this part will remain as it is here. If I take this denominator in the numerator, we will get 1 plus d by 2 minus d cube by 4 the whole raised to minus 1, and this minus 1 upon 4 will remain as it is, and here we have x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. So this equation is nothing but 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1. This equation, where in this case x is d by 2 minus d cube upon 4. Okay. So the binomial expansion for 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So this is the binomial expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1. But in our case, x is nothing but this term, which is d by 2 minus d cube by 4. We are going to write the expanded terms. Our yp is minus 1 upon 4, and here instead of this term we are going to apply this binomial expansion where x is d by 2 minus d cube upon 4. So we have 1 minus x. In our case x is d by 2 minus d cube upon 4 plus x square. So d by 2 minus d cube upon 4 the whole square minus d by 2 minus d cube upon 4 the whole cube plus and so on. After we have the terms of x, which is x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. We are going to expand this term, but here it is a minus b the whole square, and here it is a minus b the whole cube. But we need the terms till d cube only. We do not need the terms of d raised to 4 or d raised to 5. Why? Because highest power of x is 3. We are going to expand in such a way that we have the highest power of d as 3. Okay, we are going to expand this only till d cube. Okay, so the first bracket will remain as it is. This negative sign will go inside and it will become minus, and minus will become plus. So d cube upon 4. This term is a minus b the whole square, which will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, what is a square? It is d square upon 2. This is a minus 2ab. So minus 2. What is a? A is d by 2. What is b? B is d cube upon 4. As you can see, d cube into d will become d raised to 4. So this term can be neglected because we need till d cube terms. What is b square? B square is this square. So d cube upon 4 the whole square is nothing but d raised to 6 upon 4 square. We do not need d raised to 6 term. So this term will also be neglected. Okay, minus this term. Here it is a minus b the whole cube. The formula for a minus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So what is a? A is this term and b is this term. So a cube will be d upon 2 the whole cube. So d cube upon 2 cube minus we have 3a square b. So what is a in our case? In our case a is d by 2. So a square will be d square upon 2 square. So d square upon 4 into b, which is d cube upon 4. So d cube into d square will become d raised to 5. So this term is neglected because we need the terms only till d cube. Similarly, 3ab square will also be neglected, and b cube is nothing but this cube. So d cube upon 4 the whole cube will be d raised to 9. So this term will also be neglected. So we are remain only with these terms. Okay, and here we will have x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. You do not need to do the entire expansion of a minus b the whole square and a minus b the whole cube. You just have to see what all terms are giving you d square and d cube, because we need the terms only till d cube because the highest power of x is 3. Okay.